Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe and the like button. Today, we are going to learn top 5 ways to say the word bad.
Hello, I am Paul. Today, we are going to study other words to say instead of bad. I have observed many of you keep just saying bad very frequently, so I am going to show you the other words to use instead of bad.
Let's look at the first one. Imagine that you are going for shopping. You buy all the things and when you return home, you see that all the products which you have bought are bad. So instead of bad, you are going to use faulty or defective. You have received defective or faulty products. Okay. So instead of bad, you have to use defective or faulty. The next on our list is the word evil. When someone does bad things, it is called as evil. The thief does evil things. So the next time when you refer to the evil deeds, you have to use the word evil instead of bad. Imagine that you have eaten fancy food in a restaurant and then you land up in a hospital next day. Why so? Because you have eaten contaminated food. The word bad, when used with food, we replace it by contaminated. Spoiled food or contaminated food. Okay. Let's look at the next one. The next one on our list is obnoxious. He was fired due to his obnoxious behavior. Obnoxious here refers to the bad behavior of someone. So you have to use the word obnoxious instead of bad. The last but not the least one is the word nasty. The word nasty refers to the smell. Ah, what a nasty smell means it refers to a bad smell. Ah, what a nasty smell. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to never miss an update from Star Kids Learning.